I bought the most controversial Chloe sandal for myself. So if you want to know more, keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, from the title, you can understand what Chloe sandal it is, but this one is the most controversial sandal in the internet because some people say that it's very comfortable and some people are against this sandal. I don't know, I was not planning to buy this one, and this one was not in my wish list. I mean, I do have a designer wish list for my sandals and for my bags, but this sandal was never on my wish list. This is not a new sandal, it's a very old one. Like from last couple of years, you can see this sandal all over in the internet, but I don't know, I was never fan of this kind of sandals before, or slides, whatever you can say. But I don't know, from last few months, it really caught my eyes, and I just couldn't help myself to buy this one, and it was an impulse buying. So I ordered this one from the Farfetch, and it came inside the box from the Farfetch, and I'm happy they actually sent the original box from Chloe, because I heard that sometimes if you order from Nordstrom or for other, other than the Chloe website, then sometimes it doesn't come into the original box. But yeah, it came with the original box. And also the seller sent a card with the written by Gracias, because this one actually is sent from the Spain. So there was a Spanish gratitude was written on the card, so which was very nice. Okay, so first open these. I'm happy that it comes with 2 dust bags. So it's nothing new. Chloe always send 2 dust bags for each slide, but they could have sent one. But yeah, it's very generous that they are sending actually the 2 dust bags for each slide. This one is the Chloe Woody sandal or slides, whatever you say. This one is a very common, and you can see this one all over in the internet. But okay, I never fall for very trendy things, but this one, when it came first, it was really a trendy thing. But it actually hold its value, or whatever you call it, the trendiness, for last few years. So I thought it's actually now becoming a kind of Chloe classic from their designer line. So yeah, I thought why not, let's try it. And to be honest, this one is the most cheapest designer slides you can buy. So yeah, I wanted to take that opportunity, and I'm happy that I bought it, though I didn't wear it yet outside, but I wore it inside my house. I didn't even remove the tag from the Farfetch, because it was written that please keep this label attached for returns, and I was not sure that I should keep it or not, but I think I'm still in the returning window. But okay, but as long as I'm not going out, I want to keep it intact. But you don't know, you never know, maybe I change my mind and I return that. All right, so this is the Chloe Woody sandal, and it really comes with a care book and some tissue papers, plain tissue papers, and yeah, there is nothing much to tell about this, because this is a very simple slide, so which everyone know by this time. It is not even in leather. It's this, the sole is actually a rubber, and a little bit dust because I wore it inside the house. And it's made in Vietnam. I know that usually it's supposed to I mean, the Chloe used to manufacture this slide from Italy, but nowadays it's also from Italy and also from Vietnam. And yeah, so my one is made in Vietnam, and I'm a true 37. Many people say that this slide actually running small from your usual size. I actually tried this one in the Chloe boutique. The sizing may be different from made in Italy and made in Vietnam. I'm not sure about that, but my which one I tried in their boutique, the 37 was perfect for me. Even I was thinking that I'm a true 37. So, but when I tried in the boutique, I feel like 37 was a little bit bigger from my leg, but the 36 is a smaller. But as the Chloe doesn't actually comes with the half size, they are always the full size. So I was not sure which one to get, but many people tell that if your leg is wider, you have to order a one size larger. That was in my mind until I tried this same slide in the boutique. It's not that I tried the one which was on display, because the displayed one was the 36, so that was not I didn't fit on that. And the lady actually bring the new one from their storage, the 37 one, and I tried that one, and that one is, I felt like it was a slight bigger than from my foot, I mean in terms of length. But when I received this one, I feel that it's exactly my I will put some footage here in the screen so you will understand. It is actually a little bit smaller from my feet, the 37 one, but I'm okay with that. I don't like to wear slides which are a little bit bigger than my usual size. So, but I can adjust to this one, so I'm okay with that. But if I ordered the 38, that would also be fine for me. So yeah, this is actually this is all about the sizing. And now coming to the slides, it's actually made of rubber. The base part, though the color is like the woody color, so actually this is why it's called the woody sandal. And the upper portion is actually the canvas. It's kind of cotton canvas, which is not stretchable for sure. And the Chloe is written here is not embroidered. It's actually, I think, embossed. I'm not sure what it is, but it's not embroidered for sure. So yeah, this is my I bought this for my Valentine Day gift for myself, for my own. And yeah, that's all. But this smaller part, this is a cushiony part here. This one actually the leather one. This is actually leather, 100%. I think the cuff leather. I don't know, whatever it is. But this portion only the leather. I bought it about like I got it in a very good deal from the Farfetch. I don't know because this one is the last one available on their website, so I got some discount on this one. I know when I checked in the website, I mean in the boutique, it was like about 480 or something like that, $480 or something like that. But I got it around, I think about 370 ish, think something like that. And also I had some discount, so I bought something else with this and I used that discount. So so yeah, it went so well, so I got it in a very good deal and I'm happy about these slides. I will update you once I use this one outside. This is only an unboxing video when I use this outside, and then I will update you about its wear and tear and comfort level and all. That's a very small unboxing video from my Chloe sandal / of controversial sandal. So if you like this video, please place the thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.